boy Scrumps. He's putting a dog whistle. Who's this? Michael? Angry Kid Pranks. That dog whistle really hurts. Well, as I promised you guys, video. What? Jaywalk? Huh? My house? Go in my house. Huh? Oh shit, the guy's coming because he put the dog whistle. It really hurt our ears. So anyway guys, as I said, as I promised, I will be doing face reveals only on vlogs, not video games, because as I said, camera, whoa, webcam gets in the way, and I can't click on anything. So, very fun vlogging. Where are you going? Hey, get across right now. I'm just gonna wait for him. Here goes Oscar with this new skateboard. Goes faster than mine, but I'm a better skateboarder than him. Wait, are we gonna cross the street? Michael! Michael! Are you gonna cross? Right here? Oh, okay. I guess today I'm going farther than where I usually go. Okay, guys. Just ran there. I may look very confused. Oh, shit. Okay, anyway, guys. That's the end of this video. If you can, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Share the channel. Maybe it'll help us grow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Scrumps.